The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any data or a live person or company.
Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this video is going to be a very short one. Here we will see how we can get the Amazon keyword search volume. So before start the video, make sure to subscribe my channel and join our Facebook group, Premium Share, to get daily updates. So you may be aware of the Keyword Everywhere tool, which helps us to get keywords data from any website. But as it becomes paid now, so it's now a little hard get to know keyword volume for free from any website. Previously I've shown you in this video how you can get keyword search volume from the search engine for free, like Keyword Everywhere tool. If you haven't seen, then you should look at that video. Anyway, now if you saw my last video, where I talk about my upcoming video on auto Amazon website earning. So for that, we are required to have some keyword data on particular topics. So, here this tool will help you to get it free. Now you have add this extension to your Chrome browser. After that, visit Amazon and search for any topic, and you will see keywords volume easily. So, this going to help you to get long tail keyword suggestion and low competition keyword topics as well. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you like this video. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.